So okay guys, today we're gonna eat some nice beautiful liver. My people, you don't wanna smell this aroma that's kicking up. This liver is gonna be so nice guys. Nice and lovely.
Str8yaad, big up myself. We always try.
Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay my people, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we have something nice and delicious for you guys, something special. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna make some real beef liver guys. Okay, this is pack of vitamin guys. If you want natural vitamin, this is it guys. Okay, natural resource for your body, this is it. And if you want some iron, this is it, some green banana my peeps. Okay, so we're gonna cook today a nice piece of pumpkin, a nice piece of sweet potato, a little piece of yellow yam, and we're gonna make 2 dumplings also guys. So that's what we're gonna mix up today with this nice beautiful liver guys. So stay tuned and watch how we're gonna do this liver guys. I'm gonna cut it open, wash him off, season him up, and we get going. So stay tuned, this is gonna be some of the best liver you're gonna ever taste guys, trust me. So guys, I'll go straight into the cleaning up of the liver, right? Okay. Yeah. So some nice liver, guys, that we're talking about. So first, we're gonna drop like a vinegar upon him. You understand? Wash him off before we even start cutting him. You understand? That little bit soak a little bit, you know it go. Squeeze one little bit of lime same way. Yes my people. So that is what we're gonna do. So alright people, I'm gonna rinse him off now. Take him out of the water. Give him a next rinse, okay? And then we're gonna go straight to cutting up, cleaning up. Okay, my beautiful people, that is the liver. You see it look nice and clean? Yeah, that is the liver. Well washed, well clean. Okay, my peeps. So what we are going to now, we'll cut him up and then get him seasoned up and get him soaked off and clean. That is it. So we'll go ahead, cut up the liver. This liver already clean guys from the store and everything. Okay. So right now, we'll go ahead and cut him up, get him ready how we want him. Cause this liver is gonna be so nice guys, trust me. Not gonna wanna eat liver again any other way more than this way. Trust me. You see the way I do this beef liver guys, it's gonna be so delicious. Nice, soft and tender. Okay? This is how we're doing this today, guys. Alright. I'll put these in here. Put them back in the pan, guys. And now we're gonna season them up. Have a 1-piece leaf. Cut him up. Like I said guys, if you need a lot of nutrients, need a lot of vitamin, this is the thing. Liver. Okay? That is it, guys. We're not gonna cut them too fine, because I know they shrink after a while when you cook them. So right now, we are gonna go straight in a seasoning, my people. And you know we're not gonna put a lot of seasoning on this thing, okay? Because this thing don't need a heap of lot of seasoning, okay? So right away we're gonna go in with some of the real seasoning that we use all the time, my peeps. So now we are going with some meat seasoning. It's a real Jamaican easy spice, no MSG. We'll drop a little bit in it. Season up the thing, because you know we think of it tastes nice, my people. It has a full of niceness. Okay, show a little of that. A little of my Auntie Maggie. Now here you go. Drop a little of my slap your mama. A little bit of garlic powder. And guys, least but not last, real black pepper. Alright my peeps, so that's all the powder season I'm using on this today, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just mix them up. Let the season goes equally to all of them. You understand? Yeah. Okay, look nice. Tastes nice. So right now my people, we have some seasoning over here. I'm gonna go ahead and season it because I'm gonna have to let it sit and soak for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, put in a piece of white onion. Now we go already. Have a little piece of blue onion. I'm gonna put them in also. Everything tastes nice, my people. You taste them liver, you're gonna say, oh man, you're gonna have to keep making these liver, man. Okay. Going with a little bit of scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet is very hot, my peeps, so we're gonna use them sparingly. Okay. Put in a little spice to my thing. Now we have some fresh thyme. I'm not gonna cut them up too much because I like to take them out back after they finish, do the work. I have 2 little bits of fresh basil here, guys. I'm gonna cut them up in it also. Two nice head of scallion. Going with it. How it go. And all these seasoning, they're gonna come back off and then go back on, guys. So you're gonna have to keep watching the video of how I'm gonna use the seasoning, guys. Okay. One nice sweet tomato here, guys. Nice tomato. We're gonna cut him up in it also. And guys, you're gonna have to stick and stay and watch the video to the end to find out how I'm gonna cook this. Trust me, you're gonna think this one and you're gonna take it and you're gonna say, yes, this is the way I'm gonna cook it. It's very nice and healthy, guys. It's a green pepper, bell pepper. Going with that too. A little piece of my yellow pepper as well. Guys, all of these are clean and washed already. All of them peppers, all of my seasonings are prepped, they're already clean. You know how we do things around here in Str8yaad kitchen. Everything gotta clean and wash. Going with a little bit of red bell pepper. Now we think of my peeps. Turn up the flavors. Turn up the flavors. And you know you can't cook liver without bell pepper, guys. Trust me. Alright. So basically, that's all the seasoning. I have 2 real head of garlic here. I'm gonna cut it up in it also. And basically, that's all the seasoning I'm putting on the liver, guys. And I'm gonna make it sit down and soak for a little bit to rise up the flavors in the liver. And then we're gonna start cooking the liver, guys. So meanwhile the liver is gonna soak, we're gonna jump right ahead and jump into a food provision pot, guys, that we're gonna eat with this beautiful liver here. Yeah. See it there? So we'll cover this up now and let it soak a little bit, my peeps. That way I go do now, we are going to cover him up. Sit him aside, okay? And let the season soak up in it, guys. So we're gonna jump right into the pot now, guys. We're gonna cook the food. So stay tuned and watch how we're gonna go do that. Cause this is a lot of iron, guys. Wanna get some iron in your body? Eat some green banana, boiled green banana, guys. So we're gonna get right into that now. Meanwhile, the liver is soaking up all those beautiful flavors. You know how it go. One Str8yaad TV. Get some water. We'll put on with pot. We're gonna cook some food in this pot here, my people. Some nice dumpling and banana and yellow yam and pumpkin. And a little piece of sweet potato. You know, I'm gonna mix this liver with that flavor, guys. So alright, I put on the pot on fire. You know how it go. Turn on with pot. Put a little salt in the water. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit to kill out the impurities of the water, guys. Okay? We're going to cover him up. Wait till he come to a boil. And then we're going to start cooking food provision right away, guys. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. I'm telling you, guys, we almost been there. Help the channel to get there, guys. Without you, the channel cannot get there. Please, when you're watching the video, give it a thumbs up, like up the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, my people. Okay? And turn on the post notifications. So every new video we drop, you get them, my people. So, one Str8yaad TV. Yes, my people, last but not least, we have our next secret ingredients that we're going to put some on it to make it soak and marinate, make it taste beautiful, my people. So we're going to drop in a little bit of browning. I don't need a lot. Just a little 2 piece like that, my peeps. Just a little bit like that. I don't need a lot. And then I'm going to drop a little bit of my soya sauce, okay? Okay, my people, just like that. Right away, I'm gonna go ahead and mix him in now. Okay, mix him all over. Yeah. See that nice, beautiful color it gave it, my peeps? Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it. Gonna be so nice and delicious, my people. This beef liver is gonna be off the hook. Yes, my people, alright. See it there? See that nice beautiful color? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let it marinate in that thing for, I'm gonna sit it down, guys, for like about 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna start cooking. But in the meantime, we're gonna work on the food provision pot, guys. So pot is on fire already. We're gonna start peeling. We're just waiting for the pot to start to boil, guys. When it come to a boil, we're gonna start putting all these beautiful food provision, and we're gonna start knead up with dumpling. So stay tuned. Alright, my people. Pot like him soon start bubble up. We're gonna start knead up some flour, put him down, and get ready to start cook some food, my people. Meanwhile, the liver is soaking under some nice, beautiful flavors. Yeah, we're gonna knead up some dumpling. Make some dumpling, my peeps. Drop a little salt, and you know how it go. Not a lot, guys, just a little bit like that. Not a lot. Not a lot. You don't need a lot of salt when you're dumpling. It's gonna be salt, okay? And we're gonna add some cornmeal, guys, some cornmeal. You know, we don't do this straight white flour too much business, you know? We have to have something, cornmeal, plant, banana, something we have to add to it. Okay? And I have a special dumpling I'm going to make for you one day, so guys. I'm not going to tell you, but I'm going to make it one day for you. So you have to stay and wait for that one. Alright, so we'll make some dumpling and all my peeps. All I do, add some water, cold water guys, cold water. You mix him around, mix him out, okay? I think I already showed you how this guys, but I'll show you this one again. And all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching the video guys and sharing and liking. One Str8yaad TV, you know how it go? We're all about cooking guys, teaching the younger generation and all kind of generation to cook, you understand? Eating dumpling guys is very easy. All you gotta do is looking for the texture you want. Don't spoil it because you're not gonna be able to make if you spoil it. Okay? So you add the water little by little to get the texture you want, okay? Alright. This is what we're talking about, my peeps. Got a little drop here, I'm gonna take him also. Don't need a lot of water to make that little drop, guys. If you don't know what you're doing when you're making it, guys, it's gonna spoil, okay? And you don't want it to spoil. Yeah, that is it. This is where we need it, my peeps. Okay? And everything combined together easily, and you can make the dough properly. No sticking, nothing. Okay? This is what we're talking about. See? See how easy, my peeps? Not hard, okay? See? Come to a nice texture like that, my peeps. Everything is neat all out. Okay? See? That is it. We're gonna put that down, let him relax. And we're gonna get right to the pot, guys. Cause I know the pot started to boil, you see that? Yeah. So we're gonna peel up some food provision. And we're gonna put it right in the pot, my peeps. Have a nice piece of yellow yam, people. We're not gonna use all right. We'll use about that amount of yellow yam. Leave back that little piece, okay? Nice piece of yellow yam, my peeps. So we'll go ahead and peel him up. Get him in the pot. Food is easy to peel, guys. Just peel off the skin. Don't go too deep in the food part, okay? Very easy. And guys, remember to always wash your food when you peel your food, okay? So here I am looking good. See my peeps? That is it. So I always have some water ready. When you're peeling yam, you wash your yam, my peeps. Okay? Wash off your yam. Because you know yellow yam always intend to change color real fast, my peeps. So when you peel him, you don't put him down too much. I always make sure the pot ready to boil up. Like how my pot is ready boiling, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it up. You can cut them in slices, you can cut them in chunks, up to you. A lot of people like slices like this. Okay? A lot of people like slices. You can cut them in chunks too if you want. Okay? Like these, and just cutting them in the chunk. Okay? Adding them to the pot right away, peeps. Right away. See? Pot a boil. That's what we need. Put in the yellow yam them in a pot. Then go cook. Okay? Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Just like that. We cover up back pot. And we are going to peel up some more stuff, my peeps. And put in the pot right away. The next up we have to peel up a banana them. You know, liver and banana, green banana is very nice and healthy, guys. You guys need to try it and tell me what you taste and what you think about it, guys. Because I know it's very nice, very healthy, and it's something very delicious. A lot of energy in this type of food. Okay. Right now we'll peel up a banana them. Get ready to put them in the pot, you know what go? So guys, I just use the thumb right here like I showed you already and just push the skins off, okay? Just like that. And then you take your knife, if you have a little any edge, just clean them off like that, okay? That is it, see there? Nice and clean, ready to go. So right where you cut it, you just set it upside down like the other way. And just push out the skin, guys, very easy. Okay? Just the same thing like peeling plantain. This banana is very full. Back home we don't reap these type of banana, we let them to ripe. Let them ripe, my people, ripe. So I peel off the banana, my peeps, and we will come right back to you and put them in the pot, make you see where I go on. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, my people, so them nice and clean, yeah. When you make boiled banana, guys, you have to have cold water all the time, right? Peel them in a cold water and keep them in the water so they don't change color. So them white and pretty, yeah. Some people put oil in it if you don't want it stick on your hand and stuff like that. You know how you go. Give me banana them. Right now, my peeps, I'm gonna put in the dumpling them. Okay. I'm gonna leave the pumpkin and the potato for last because I know them easy to mash and they're very soft. So I have to know what to put in each time I put in, my peeps. Okay? I'll go ahead right away and make some nice dumpling. Add them in the pot right away, because you know a dumpling, it's not gonna mash, my people. It can't mash, it only stick. But if you stir in the pot, it's not gonna stick. Okay? Because it intends to float when it's cooked. Okay? So right away I'm going to make some quick and fast dumpling. Quick and fast. Okay? Not too big. Some nice decent size dumpling, okay? No, when we make dumpling quick and fast, my people. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. We don't hesitate to make dumpling. Okay? Nice, decent dumpling. Okay? No big nothing today. We'll go ahead and make dumpling them and put them in the pot. And then we'll go get the pumpkin and the sweet potato. Peel up and go in the pot to my people. So just stay tuned and watch the video. And guys, please to give the video a thumbs up when you watch the video, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. A lot of people watching and you know subscribe yet, guys. Subscribing is free. Don't cost nothing to subscribe to the channel. It don't cost nothing to watch the video and give it a thumbs up. And remember, guys, Str8yaad motto is to share what you have, love each other, and keep on moving. Okay? And I know a lot of people right there in Jamaica right now having trouble with the hurricane, my people. But stand strong, keep fighting. We always help, do what we can do from our end. You know how it go? We have to help each other, guys. And share what you have and keep moving. You know Str8yaad give that motto a long time, you know. A long time I tell you about that motto, you know, my people. From me just start the channel, I tell you about that motto. Okay? I know right now the people them suffer and they need help in Jamaica. So we are gonna come on board and help each other, my people. Other people have nowhere to sleep or they don't know what they're gonna eat. So they know. Video here, straight down a yard style we are give style. Straight down a yard style, I want you. Yeah, straight yard style. Alright guys, so get back to the cooking part of the video here now. Finish make up a couple dumplings here. And then we are going to get right to the potato. You know how it go. Not no big dumpling guys, just some little one. This little piece that leave, I'm just going to make a nice little spinach with me, okay? That is it. So right now, we stir your pot. As soon as I put in the dumpling guys, I stir your pot so they don't stick. Okay. Right now, we are going to cover up the pot. And we are going to peel up some more things now. Adding to the pot, my peeps. Like the nice sweet potato, yeah? A nice sweet potato. We are going to peel them up. So alright people, we are going to finish peel up them thing, yeah? And we are going to come right back to them, my peeps. Show them when we are going in a pot. Okay. I always have peel them in the water, guys. I always have some cold water put on the peel up in. I run through a little pumpkin here, get him clean up, and we come right back to them, guys. Alright, my people. Add in one nice sweet potato here. One nice one sweet potato, add him in. Stir up the pot again. Give him fall the bottom. Know where it go. Yeah. And then we are going to put the pumpkin. Two nice pieces of pumpkin right on top. You don't want him mash. Just like that, my peeps. So we'll cover up the pot now and we'll make the fire do the work, guys, and we soon finish with this pot and we are going to start the liver, so stay tuned. Okay, my people, right now the food pot is doing well, guys. I'm going to show you inside of the food pot. You can see what's going on. See how beautiful it is? Yeah, everything is cooking perfect, my people. No sticking, nothing. See? Push my fork on and release anything sticking, because I don't want to stir it too much. I don't want my pumpkin to mash. Okay? See, everything is loose. Nothing is sticking. Okay? So we are covering it up back. Making finish cook, my people. But you know in the meantime what we are going to do now? We are going to turn on the fire, yeah? And we are going to start get ready to cook the beef, my people. And get ready to cook the beef liver. Okay? You know how the liver you got? It will go nice. So we're going to make the pot hot and get dry out. And add a little olive oil to the pot. And then we're going to start cooking, guys. So in the meantime, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you guys. I'm not going to use all these ingredients right now, okay? So I'm going to take off back all the seasoning that I put on it. Okay? Take everything off back complete. Alright? That's what I'm gonna do now. Go ahead and take off back all those beautiful seasoning that's soaked already and have this beautiful flavor already, guys. Okay, you will see. Stay tuned and watch the video, guys. You will see when I'm gonna use how I'm gonna use this seasoning that I'm taking off, because I'm gonna use them back. Okay, but you guys have to stay tuned and watch the video to the end to see when and how I'm gonna use them. So okay, my people, see what I'm talking about when I'm saying I'm taking off all the seasoning. Yeah, I take off back all these seasoning. You're gonna stay and see and watch how I'm gonna use them, my people, because this liver here is gonna be off the hook. Okay, so I have my pan right there hotting up right now. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. You can add any oil you want to use, guys. I have olive oil. I'm gonna use olive oil today. Okay, so the pot is getting hot. Put a little oil in the pan, not a lot. And wait, go. I go fry them up here now. We always try to oil up our pan and what go. Yeah, pan is hot. Don't do like me, guys. I always use a spatula. And I'm telling you, when I cut the season, don't try to cut in your hand if you can't manage. I always use the cutting board. Str8yaad is all about safety in the kitchen. One Str8yaad TV. Put a little garlic in the pan, you know, season up my oil, You know it go. You know Str8yaad do it already. Yeah. And like I said guys, don't use a bare hand to hold the pan when it's hot like me. Always use a glove, a piece of cloth or something, okay? Str8yaad TV, one Str8yaad TV guys, so the pot is hot, see? Well hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in all this beautiful beef liver. All these beautiful livers going in guys. All of them. Alright. So what we're gonna do now guys, we're gonna keep him on medium low and we're gonna fry him up a little bit. Just fry him up a little bit. And then we're gonna get the season on and we're gonna cook him down nice and juicy guys. This one's gonna be so delicious. So remember to subscribe to the channel guys. Remember to like up the video them. One Str8yaad TV. See? Go on good already. Yeah. Yeah man. Fun. Fry him up there a little bit first my peeps. So basically, that is what we're doing right now. Frying up the livers. You understand? So stay tuned and watch the video guys. We're going to show you what's going on. Keep watching the video. Str8yaad TV. Looking nice. Take good time and go on. We're ready to add the rest of the ingredients from people. Stay tuned. Watch how me cooking this beautiful liver here. This liver is going to be so nice and delicious. When you see this one and you try it like this guys, you're gonna always wanna eat liver like this. You're not gonna go back to the regular style of cooking liver, okay? This is the new style. This is the style you're gonna love. Right, people. So right, I know you saw them brown up and look nice, and I get to where we want them. That is it. This is how we need them, my people. So right now, stay tuned because we are gonna show you what we're going on now with them beautiful liver here, my peeps. So alright, my people, look at it. You saw them look nice and brown up. Yeah, see them there? Look at these, my people. See that? Yeah, that's what we're talking about when we say we're frying up a little bit. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Okay, alright, now my people, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to it now. So you just stay tuned and watch what you're going on now. So you see all this beautiful seasoning that was seasoned on it. Now we're going to add them, my people. So now we're going to add all these beautiful flavors to the pot. Okay, all this beautiful flavor. Now we're adding it to it, guys. See, that's what we're talking about. My people, you don't want to smell this aroma that's kicking up. This liver is gonna be so nice, guys. So my peeps, what I'm gonna do, have some hot water here. I'm gonna rinse out my dish that I seasoned with all these beautiful things that leave in it. It's going right in the pot. Nothing is wasting. This is what you're talking about. Remember, don't waste this pot. Just wash out the bowl and put it back in there, my peeps. This is a lot of flavors, okay? So right now, that's what we're doing. Drop a little bit more. And that is it. I'm gonna cook down liver them now. Nice, soft, and delicious. So what we are talking about? Yeah, that is it. See that beautiful gravy we're making right there? That is what we're talking about when we're gonna make some nice, authentic, delicious liver, guys. This is it. Okay, that is it. See how it look? Nice and beautiful. So right now, we'll season up the pot right away. Cause you know this is not take long for cooking on my peeps. So we're gonna add a little piece of butter, not a lot. Just a nice little piece of butter, okay? Make a gravy rich and nice and thick. Now we are gonna add some ketchup. You know the browning already in it because we put the browning when we were seasoning up the meat. And a little Chinese sauce was in there already. So basically, this is all we're doing now. Okay, that is it. Getting some rich flavors in this pot now, my people. See? This is what we're talking about, my people. You want to smell it. You want to taste it when it finishes also. So what we are going to do now? We're going to lock down the pot now. And make the fire go and do some work, my people. Cook up these lovely bad boys and bring the gravy down to where I need it. And then we're ready to eat. Just stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Close up this pot here. Put him on medium low. And make the fire do some works. And then we come right back to you, guys. This liver is so beautiful, man. Nice, rich, healthy flavors. Alright guys, I'm gonna test the gravy because right now it's almost done. I'm gonna test the gravy now and see if we need anything else, but right now I think it's fine, but I'm gonna test it still, guys. Tell you what's going on. So the gravy rich? Yes, me people. This is what we're talking about, man. This liver is so sweet and nice, guys. Delicious. Wow, the flavor is kicking. Right now, my people, we are going to look at it. We are going to turn off the fire and get ready to eat, my people. It's nice. Nice is a shame. Alright, my people, we could share out some food. We're ready to eat some beautiful liver. You know how it go. Yes, my people. See it, my peeps? Some nice liver. Some nice gravy. Thick and rich. So the gravy thick and rich, my people? This is what we're talking about when we start cooking some beautiful livers, my people. See? Yeah. I'm gonna match that out for you, my peeps. Stay tuned, watch the video. Okay guys, this is it. This you call a real liver. Okay? Cook with banana, dumpling and yellow yam. Eating with two side nice piece of avocado. We're gonna dig in it for you guys. It's a pumpkin there, I miggle. I mean, sweet potato right pot. I'm gonna take out none of it, guys, because I don't want to overfull my plate. Okay? So the yellow yam. It's flavor, guys. This is the flavor. The yam is very nice, dry. Well, liver time. Nice and juicy. This is what we're talking about, guys. It's full of flavor. I have to taste the dumpling with the liver, man. Guys, I'm gonna have to sit down. Trust me. I'm gonna have to sit down and finish up this one. This one is a nice palate taster. So that one piece of the avocado. This is what we're talking about, guys. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna mash this out for you guys. Str8yaad TV.